What's that?
What do you do with YouTube?
I do a lot with YouTube. Anyone else starting a YouTube channel? JC? So do you have the TubeBuddy log or the not login? Do you pay for TubeBuddy? It's $5 a month. It's $4.50 a month. And what it does is it helps you optimize your YouTube videos. So a couple things I do. One, I make sure we have sub or captions. So again, any green screen video you do, I send it out to rev.com to get captions, then I upload it to YouTube and Facebook. So that way it Google and YouTube can search that content and give it to the right audience. Having the title, they give title recommendations, but basically titles that are clickable. We upload a thumbnail, which is going to be different than the thumbnail we use for Facebook. YouTube likes a lot of big letters, words. They like that sort of stuff. Facebook penalizes you for that. So we'll do a YouTube thumbnail that's really brightly colored, big words. Again, people are likely to click on it. Tags are the thing where TubeBuddy really comes into play. So when people are searching for how to change out your blinker on a Ford F-150, you're going to put in tags like change out a blinker, Ford, F-150, F-150 blinker, Ford blinker. And so you start typing these in, which you can do by yourself. What's great about TubeBuddy is it'll look at your caption, your description, and the tags you've done, plus the other tags on your channel and go, what about this tag or this one? And you can kind of choose the tags. And then it'll tell you where you rank in those tags. So you can only have 500 characters in your tags. Do people understand what I mean by tags? They're basically keywords that help people search. It'll show you, so like if I type in house, we're never going to be ranked for house. We just aren't. And if I reached 500 and I go, oh, I want to, instead of house, I want to do, like for property videos, I'll do the address of the property, Mariposa home for sale on Mariposa, Mariposa video tour, Sky Ranch video tour, Sky Ranch homes for sale. So super specific, so when people search for that. But if I type in, and I'll add this in just to kind of fill out the list, but if I type in Santee home for sale, we're not going to rank. So it helps you with that.
Someday,
maybe. You can just kind of delete the overarching homes in San Diego, right? You can remove those to add in more specific ones.
So you don't take the video on YouTube then and just put it on Facebook, right? They don't.
That's a great question. No, I always for 99% of everything you guys do, you want to post on YouTube and post on Facebook. And then all of our property videos are under a minute now, so upload to Instagram. You don't want to upload to Instagram, share it on Facebook, and then post the link wherever, right? The only time that I've posted YouTube links on Facebook is in like the Whissel way, when I want to bring in my specific audience and I want to share them to our YouTube channel. So that's kind of Facebook penalizes you if you post a YouTube link on Facebook. They want people to stay in their platform. That was a great question.